Good evening, class 8, unit 19, structure of the earth. Main objectives of this lesson are as follows. Main objectives: what are ores, what are minerals, types of ores, types of minerals, their usage, what is soil profile, why is it important, what is soil erosion, what is deposition, how they occur in nature. In lower classes like class 6 and 7, you learned different structures like hill, mountain, plateau, valley, etc. and some sources of water like surface water and underground water like sea, ocean, river, lake, glacier, etc. But in this lesson, you are not going to study cross mantle core, inner core, outer core, etc. Here, you have to deal with this. Question number 1, soil profile. Define soil profile and name the 4 layers in it. The vertical section showing all the layers of the earth from the top to the bottom is called the soil profile. माथिदेखि तलसम्म सबै देखाउने. From the first, topsoil A, which is the best. Second, subsoil B, horizon. Topsoil means A horizon, best type, organic matter having humus. Subsoil, it is not so good for agriculture. B horizon. 3, parent rock. C horizon, which is not so good. And last one is bedrock or R horizon, the lowermost part. It also contains water. It acts as tank. Question number 2, name some important minerals found in different parts of Nepal. Some minerals found in different parts of Nepal are as follows: iron, copper, lead, zinc, graphite, etc. Mica. Mica is also found in some parts of Nepal. Mica. And in some parts, uranium. Uranium is also said to be found in Bhaganpur district and Mustang. See, so Nepal is very rich. It is rich in biodiversity. Different types of minerals are found in different parts of Nepal. नेपालका विभिन्न भागहरूमा यी मिनरलहरू पाउन सकिन्छ. Question number 2 finished. Question number 3 is as follows. Define minerals and mention their types. Define minerals. खनिज पदार्थ भनेको के हो? Mention their types. कति प्रकारको हुन्छ? See, actually minerals, when we say minerals, mineral may be elements or they may be compounds. So, minerals are, first of all, minerals, not man-made, remember, not man-made, मान्छेले बनाएको होइन, pure, भनेको शुद्ध, natural, made by nature, inorganic, not organic, living plant or living animal बाट आएको होइन, inorganic, and crystalline substances. Here substances may be elements or compounds. See, minerals are pure, शुद्ध, not impure, natural, made by nature, प्रकृतिले बनाएको, inorganic, not chemical, not organic, inorganic or chemical, not chemical, inorganic substances, not man-made, and crystalline substances, crystalline दानादार substances, they may be elements, they may be compounds. Some scientists, some geologists have defined minerals or classified minerals into four parts: metallic, non-metallic, gems, and siliceous. But for the sake of convenience, we have defined or classified into two types. There are two types of minerals are as follows. See, number A, metallic minerals. Just by the name metallic, having metallic. Metallic minerals are those which contain maximum of the metals. यसमा मेटलको पार्ट पर्सेन्टेज म्याक्सिमम हुन्छ. A little bit non-metallic substances may be found, but maximum part, more than 90%, are metals, different metals. Metallic minerals, just by the name, if you have to define, metallic minerals are those minerals which contain maximum metals. Example, cuprite having copper, bauxite, it gives aluminum. This is an ore. It is also an ore. ore र मिनरलमा फरक के भने ओरबाट हामीले मेटलहरू प्राप्त गर्न सक्छौं इकोनोमिकली. बक्साइट, हेमाटाइट, आइरन, लिमोनाइट, आर्गेन्टाइट, ग्यालिना, quartz vein. In the same way, generally we can find different metallic minerals like cuprite, chalcopyrite, chalcocite, argentite, bauxite, hematite, limonite, argentite, galena, quartz vein, etc. They are some metallic minerals. Another, number 2 is non-metallic minerals. Just by the name, non-metallic minerals are those which contain maximum of non-metals, but a little bit metals may be found in them. Not completely, not 100% metals, but maximum non-metals, a little bit metals. Metallic, maximum metals, a little bit non-metal. Here, non-metallic minerals may be either compounds or elements like sulfur, mainly sulfur, carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus. See, topaz, diamond, hira, emerald, graphite, dolomite, calcite, etc. See, non-metallic minerals are those which contain maximum non-metals. For example, sulfur, carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, topaz, diamond, emerald. They are actually some gems. Graphite, allotropic modification of carbon. Diamond is also a type of carbon, symbol C. Dolomite, calcite. Calcite means calcium carbonate, CaCO3, chundunga. Dolomite, a mixture of calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate. These minerals are very important in our daily life, for factories, etc. Question number 3, define minerals and mention their types. Pure, natural, inorganic and crystalline. शुद्ध, प्राकृतिक, inorganic, organic नभएको, crystalline, दानादार. Two types, metallic and non-metallic. Question number 3. Question number 4. See, justify that erosion and deposition occur or take place simultaneously. Simultaneously means at the same time. How can you justify, how can you prove that erosion and deposition occur at the same time, take place at the same time? One, erosion generally occurs in hills and mountains, and deposition generally occurs on plains or terrain. First of all, it is better to define erosion. Just by the name erosion means erode, hewn. Erosion is the natural process of washing or blowing or tearing away of soil or rock particles. Erosion is the natural process of washing or blowing or tearing away of soil or rock particles. अथवा रक पार्टिकलहरू अथवा माटोको क्षयीकरण हुनु, क्षय भएर जानु. वाशिङ अवे पानीले बगाएर लान्छ, ब्लोइङ अवे हावाले उडाएर लान्छ, टियरिङ अवे च्यातेर अथवा खुम्चिएर टाढा भएर जान्छ, ब्रेक भएर जान सक्छ. के त सोइल र रक पार्टिकल चाहिँ ठुलोबाट सानो 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 टुक्रामा टुक्रिन्छ. इट इज अल्सो वान अफ द मेन कजेस अफ फर्मेसन अफ सोइल. यसबाट नि सोइल बन्छ. इरोजन एन्ड डिपोजिसन is a natural process, not made by human. Natural process of depositing or collecting or accumulation of the eroded particles. See, erosion generally occurs in hills or mountains, and generally occurs in hills or mountains and is the cause of deposition. पहिला इरोजन हुन्छ अनि मात्रै डिपोजिसन हुन्छ. नो इरोजन नो डिपोजिसन. इरोजनै छैन, कहीँबाट नष्ट भएको छैन भने त्यहाँ अरू ठाउँमा गएर जम्मा हुँदैन. इफ देयर इज नो गेन देयर इज नो लस, इफ देयर इज नो लस देयर इज नो गेन भने जस्तै इरोजन जस्ट लाइक लस, डिपोजिसन जस्ट लाइक गेन. एन्ड डिपोजिसन जस्ट लाइक डिपोजिट, जम्मा गर्नु. डिपोजिसन जनरली occurs in the terrain or plains. Spelling, see, it is not PLANES, it is just like PLAINS, terrain, and is an effect of erosion. अर्थात् इरोजनले गर्दा डिपोजिसन हुन्छ भन्न खोजेको. Thus means in this way it can be justified that they occur simultaneously. प्रमाणित के गर्नु पर्यो? इरोजन र डिपोजिसन एकै साथ हुन्छ, अथवा इरोजन भएन भने डिपोजिसन हुँदैन भन्ने कुरा. इरोजन एक्चुअली लस, Loss of soil particles, it generally occurs in hills and mountains, especially in rainy season, by different methods. Deposition is the natural process of accumulation or depositing or collecting the eroded particles. The eroded particles are generally soil particles, rock particles, and other silt, silts. So if there is no erosion, there is no deposition. Erosion is the cause of deposition. Deposition is an effect of erosion. इरोजनले गर्दा डिपोजिसन हुन्छ, इरोजन भएन भने डिपोजिसन हुँदैन. नो इरोजन, नो डिपोजिसन, just like heat and temperature. So we can say that erosion and deposition occur simultaneously. Question number 4. Question number 5. Define soil conservation. Mention how it can be conserved or how soil erosion can be controlled. Define soil conservation. The protection of soil in different ways. Is called soil conservation. माटोलाई बचाउने, सोइल माटो, कन्जर्भेसन बचाउने, कन्जर्भेसन सेभिङ, प्रोटेक्सन सेभ, इरोजन लस हुने. हाउ क्यान soil can be conserved or soil erosion can be controlled by the following ways. We know soil is generally formed by the weathering of rocks. Soil कसरी बन्छ? By the weathering of rocks. So how can we conserve soil? By number one is by increasing afforestation or decreasing deforestation and uncontrolled human settlement. Number one, increase plantation, वृक्षारोपण गर्ने, decrease deforestation, रुख काट्ने काम कम गर्ने, and controlled human settlement, or decreasing or controlled, or you write controlling human settlement. One, another, by making dams and embankments. Dams and embankments near rivers. नदीको नजिक ड्याम बनाउने, इम्ब्याङ्कमेन्टहरु पर्खाल लगाउने. यसले गर्दा स्पिडी वाटर क्यान बी कन्ट्रोल. त्यो पानी धेरै मात्रै भएर हुँदैन, त्यसको मास मात्रै भएर हुँदैन, त्यसको स्पिडलाई कन्ट्रोल गर्नुपर्छ. स्पिड अफ वाटर मस्ट बी कन्ट्रोल्ड. पानी धेरै मात्रामा आएपछि बिस्तारै बगेर जान्छ, तर स्पिड हाई भएमा त्यसले सोइल इरोजन बढाउँछ. सो कन्ट्रोल इट by making dams and embankments. Another way, by decreasing the grazing of एनिमल्स हाम्रो गाई बस्तुहरूलाई हिलतिर नलाने अन हिल्स त्यो हिलमा कुचिँदाखेरि वाइल दे आर वकिङ वाट ह्यापन्स सोइल इरोजन इन्क्रिजेस त्यो वस्तुले पाइला टेक्दा त्यो ठाउँबाट माटो अलि भएर जान सक्छ प्लान्टेसनले के गर्छ रुट्स बाइन्ड द सोइल पार्टिकल्स टाइटली टुगेदर एनोदर by terrace farming and rotation of crops terrace farming especially in hilly regions terraces are made to control the speed of water rotation of crops this year wheat next year another like millet another year मेज एक वर्ष आलु रोप्ने एक वर्ष काजु रोप्ने एक वर्ष फापर रोप्ने अर्को वर्ष कोदो रोप्ने अर्को वर्ष गहुँ रोप्ने रोटेसन अफ क्रप्स एन्ड रोटेसन अफ नट ओन्ली क्रप्स भेजिटेबल्स एन्ड फ्रुट्स विभिन्न जातको फलफुल तरकारीहरू अथवा क्रप्स भनेको अन्न रोप्ने एनुदर बी नम्बर बाई युजिङ ओन्ली limited amount of explosives for construction works construction गर्दाखेरि रोड कन्स्ट्रक्सन ड्याम कन्स्ट्रक्सन गर्दा लिमिटेड अमाउन्ट अफ एक्सप्लोसिभ्स एक्चुअली एक्सप्लोसिभ्स आर डेन्जरस दे इन्क्रिज सोइल इरोजन but we have to use only a limited amount of explosives कति चाहिन्छ त्यति मात्रै एक्सपर्टले गर्छ त्योभन्दा बढी एक्सप्लोसिभ्स युज नगर्ने यसले सोइल इरोजन बढाउँछ कन्स्ट्रक्सन वर्कको लागि यी कामहरू हामीले गर्न सक्छौँ ओके दिस मच फर टुडे